Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saida Shaista Batul. Welcome to my channel Zero Logic. As I believe that our content present our souls, all the souls in this world somehow share the same feelings, same emotions, and somehow the same attributes. But their nature differ based on the society where they reside and also the social value which they share together. So according to the dictionary, the nature is the concept that denotes the basic fundamentals, dispositions and attributes. Okay, so before starting my today's video, I will request all of you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. So as I will upload my video, you will get the notification. Okay, so moving towards today's video topic. Today I am going to discuss Pakistani famous Pisces personalities. Yes, all the personalities whom were very famous and whom belong to this zodiac sign. The moon sign is the Pisces. I don't know about their sun sign and their rising sign, as I am always describing this, because the information which I am getting from the internet or Wikipedia, I can only guess about their moon signs. So based on that, today I am going to discuss some famous Pakistani Pisces personality. Okay, so moving toward the first Pisces Pakistani personality. Today I am not going to discuss only the Pakistani famous personality whom are alive or living with us. I am going to describe also the personalities whom are still lived in our heart and whom they are no longer with us, but they have done fabulous job in their field, so they are still alive so I am going to discuss them as well. Okay, so moving toward the first Pisces famous personality I'm going to discuss today is the Abdul Sattar Edhi. Abdul Sattar Edhi, he was born on 26 February 1928. Abdul Sattar Edhi, no one in Pakistan cannot say that they don't know about Abdul Sattar Edhi. Abdul Sattar Edhi is the one of well-reputed, well-known humanitarian in the history of the Pakistan, who is a well-reputed, eccentric philosopher and also the one of the well-reputed humanitarian. He was running the world's largest volunteer ambulance network. He was running orphanage center in Pakistan, and he was running animal centers, rehabilitations, and also he was one who was taking care of the homeless people in the Pakistan. So no one can deny his welfare services which he had done for the society, and his name is still like a shining star. So moving toward the second famous Pakistani personality, Qudratullah Shahab. Qudratullah Shahab was an eminent Urdu writer and civil servant from Pakistan. Qudratullah Shahab holds the distinctions of having the several as principal secretary to three heads of the state: Governor General Ghulam Muhammad, President Iskandar Mirza, and President Ayub Khan. He went on served as ambassador of Pakistan to Netherlands in 1962 and later on as information secretary of Pakistan and education secretary of the Pakistan. We cannot deny he has wrote many books. So I'm going to discuss about few of his books which are very well known, and everyone who has interest in literature cannot deny that he does not know the name of Qudratullah Shahab. So discussing about his books, शहाबनामा, सुर्खफीता, बाखुदा, मामा, लिफाफे, माजी, बाखुदा, and the many other books, etc. Okay, so moving toward the third famous Parsi personality. Parsi personality Mustansar Hussain Tarar. Mustansar Hussain Tarar was born on 1st March 1939, and mostly people known him as a Chachaji. I have so much childhood memory related to Mustansar Hussain Tarar, because once I was kid, he was hosting a very famous program for the kids, and before going to the school I used to watch the program which he was hosting, and he used to say that you should call me Chacha Ji. So that's why I have so much affiliation with him. He is the well-known writer, well-known author, columnist, TV host, and mountaineer, traveler, and he has wrote many beautiful books, and also he has written many beautiful stories related to his traveling. And one of the most beautiful book, if you have read, or anyone who knows the name of Mustansar Hussain must have read the book Undlis Mein Ajnabi. So there are many also other book which I have done by him. Diary of Vagabond Bahau, and he also received Sitara Imtiaz from Pakistan. Okay, so moving toward the fourth famous Parsi personality, Iftikhar Arif. Iftikhar Arif was born on March 21, 1944, is an Urdu poet, scholar and literature. His style is romantic Urdu poetry. He has headed the Pakistan Academy of Letters and the National Language Authority. A famous personality, Sheikh Ayaz. Sheikh Ayaz was born on March 2nd, 1923. Ali Sheikh was one of the prominent Sindhi poet of Pakistan in general and in particular, the author of more than 50 books on poetry. He is the author of more than 50 books on poetry, biographies, plays and short stories in both Sindhi and Urdu language. Okay, so moving toward next famous personality, Mohsen Changezi. He was born on 9th March 1979, Quetta, Pakistan. Mohsen Changezi is Pakistan Urdu poet, Hazara descent. He has also done so much work in the poetry, and he also received Sitara Imtiaz in 2010. And he also well-known poet and the writer. Okay, so as we are discussing the literature, so I am also going to add up one more famous personality who has done a fabulous job in the Pakistan histories, or in the history of the literature. Okay, Yasmin Hamid was born on 18th March 1951. Yasmin Hamid is a Pakistani Urdu poet, translator and educator. She wrote a book, Swimming on the Lawn, as an anchor in the history of Pakistan. Okay, so moving toward the first famous anchor person. Okay, so moving toward the next famous personality, Zahid Hamid. Zahid Hamid was born on 1964. Zahid Hamid is very famous. Zahid Hamid is very famous Pakistani columnist, host, writer, and he has done. But he has also famous for his theory of conspiracy. He is the TV show host. Zahid Hamid. Zahid Hamid is Pakistani four-night Islamist political commentator, conspiracy theorist, writer and columnist, and he's also wrote many articles for the news, and he's also is the TV show host, brass breaker, and he has done the fabulous job in the field of television. Okay, so moving toward the famous Pisces personality as a TV anchor is the Salim Shafi. Salim Shafi on March 7, 1968. Salim Shafi is a Pakistani journalist, columnist, defense and analyst, and current affair TV show anchor person. He was born on 7th March 1968. Famous anchor personality whom is also Pisces, Nusrat Javed. Nusrat Javed was born on 14th March 1964. This Pakistani columnist, journalist and former news anchor. He is among the senior most journalists in Pakistan, having started his career in 1975, beginning as a reporter. He worked as a columnist before shifting to the television show, and he is nowadays he is doing the famous TV show Bolta Pakistan. Now we are going to discuss the famous Pakistani Pisces personality in the field of cricket. Okay, they have done the fabulous job in the field of cricket. So first cricketer, he is the former cricketer, but still he is ruling in our heart. Yes, I am talking about Inzamam ul Haq. Inzamam ul Haq was born on March 3rd. He was born on 3rd March 1970. Inzamam ul Haq is known as Inzi. He is a Pakistani cricketer, coach and former Pakistani cricketer. He was the leading run scorer for Pakistan in one-day international and third highest run scorer for Pakistan in Test cricket. He is the only Pakistani batsman who has scored 2000 runs in international cricket. Okay, so moving toward the next cricketer who is also Pisces and who is ruling in on our heart. Yes, no, I'm talking about Lala. Yes, Shahid Afridi. Shahid Afridi was born on 1st March 1977, and we also call him Boom Afridi, and he has done the fabulous job in the history of cricket. And in his first debut, he was the one who has done the fastest, who has scored the fastest century against Sri Lanka, and that was the greatest victory for the Pakistan, and Pakistan has revived. Pakistani cricket team has revived after that achievement. Okay, so if we talk about the Pisces, we cannot deny that Pisces is the Piscean are the one whom are more interested in music, and Piscean cannot live without music. So how can we forget that Piscean who are very famous for music? How we can forget that they haven't done anything fabulous in the history of music? So discussing about that personality, moving toward the first personality everyone knows about him, is the Atif Aslam. Atif Aslam was born on 12th March 1983. He is a playback singer, songwriter and actor. He has recorded numerous chart-topping songs in both Pakistan and India, and he is known for his vocal belting technique. The famous singer, he is no more with us, but still he is ruling on our heart. Yes, I'm talking about the Alam Luhar. Alam Luhar was born on March 1st, 1928. Alam Luhar is a prominent Pakistani Punjabi folk music singer. He is credited with creating and popularizing the musical term Jugni. So we all know that Jugni song, and that is still his son is still singing that song. So we know Alam Luhar because yes, he is the father of the Arif Luhar. One of the fabulous singer is Aima Baig. Aima Baig was born on 10th March 1995, a Pakistani singer, script writer. She is also known for her brief appearance in Dunia News program Mazak Raat. She rose fame after her work on Lahore Se Aage, due to which she gained the popularity through many other soundtracks and she also appeared in the Coke Studio. And nowadays Alma Beg is singing PSL song Aaj Bekega Guru Mera. So this is the song she is singing nowadays. Famous Pakistani singer Kuratulan Baloch. Kuratulan Baloch was born on 4th March 1988. Kuratulan is Iranian-born Pakistani singer and the songwriter, and she has done the fabulous job in the history of Pakistani music. Yes, she has sung one of the beautiful song वो हम सफर था मगर उससे हम नवाई न थी, या we also call her the हम सफर singer. Okay, so moving toward the drama industry, and if we are talking about the musician, we cannot forget the Piscean as a drama artist, because this is their music, art, literature. This is the actual field of the Pisces. So it's moving toward the first famous Pakistani drama artist. Yes, first of all I will start. All are my favorite. All Piscean as an actor, all are my favorite. All singer are my favorite. All anchor person, all are my favorite. I cannot say no one is not my favorite. So okay, so moving toward the first Pakistani drama artist, Zara Noor Abbas. Zara Noor Abbas Siddiqui is also known by her married name. Zara Noor Abbas Siddiqui is a Pakistani actress. She is the best known for her role as Ursula in Momna Duret Khamoshi, and also acted in serial Dhadkan, Lamhe, Kaid, Diwar-e-Shab and Aid Wafa. And also she has done the fabulous job in Zabaish. Zara Noor Abbas was born on 13 March 1991. Zara Noor Abbas is the daughter of the Asma Abbas, and she belongs to the Bushra Ansari family. Okay, so moving toward the next famous Pakistani Piscean drama artist is Hira Mani. Hira Mani was born on 27th February 1988. She is Pakistani television actress, presenter and former video jockey. She had given us very beautiful dramas. If we talk about Do Bol Mushk, nowadays she has done the fabulous job. Mabte Chahte, and also the one of song Chal Chalte Hain Sawari song. She has also sung very beautiful song Sawari. Yes, I'm talking about the Hira Mani. She is the wife of Mani. Okay, so moving toward the next Pakistani drama artist who is also Piscean is Saboor Ali. Saboor Ali is the sister of the Sajal Ali, and she was born on 3rd March 1995, and she is the sister of beautiful Pakistani actress Sajal Ali. Artist is the Neelam Munir. Neelam Munir was born on 12th March 1992, Pakistani actress and model who appears in television dramas and films. She earned nomination at Lux Style Award for the Best TV Actress, Ulfat, drama serial Dil Mohm Ka Diya, and also I liked the role, which I am liking too much her role. I love her role as an Ifra in Qiyamah. She has done the fabulous job, and also Dil Nawaz is very close to my heart. I love Neelam Munir and I love her acting skills, and she has proven herself in the different dramas as a best artist. Okay, so moving toward the next drama artist is Rabia Bhatt. Rabia Bhatt was born on 26 February 1990. She is Pakistani supermodel, actress and TEDx speaker. She has worked with all the leading brands of Pakistan, Khadi, Elan and Sapphire. She has won 2 Lux Style Award and also award for her work in the fashion industries, and nowadays we can see Rabia Bhatt in Pehli Si Mohabbat, and she is doing the fabulous job. Even some people are commenting on that drama that she has overshadowed the main cast. So she's one of the best drama artists, Rabia Bhatt. Okay, so moving toward the next beautiful, fabulous, fantastic actress. Yes, I'm talking about. Nowadays, she also has sung a song Zara Zara, talking about the Kinza Hashmi. Kinza Hashmi was born on 7th March 1997. She is Pakistani television actress. She started her acting career in 2014 and operated and appeared in several television, commercial and serials, and she has received her first antagonist award. Although she has performed very well as a protagonist and antagonist, but she received the award as an antagonist. Okay, so moving toward the next, Kiran Khan. Kiran Khan was born on 25th. She is the Pakistani actress and host. And next Pakistani actress is Ismat Zaidi. Ismat Zaidi was born on 22nd February 1980, who appears as a mother role in the variety of dramas. Okay, so Babar Khan. Babar Khan was born on 22nd February 1984. He is an actor and a model. Ayub Khosa. Ayub Khosa was born on 12th March 1960, and he is his career spanning more than 3 decades, TV and film actor, and he is very famous for his film Khuda Ke Liye. Ayub Khosa has played a phenomenal role in his film Khuda Ke Liye, and everyone knows about that film, and he has done a fabulous job in that film. Ahmed Ali Bhatt. Ahmed Ali Bhatt was born on 6 March 1976. He is Pakistani TV film actor, vocalist, singer, songwriter, comedian, keyboardist, and a rapper. Yes, he is also Pakistani. Ahmed Ali Bhatt, we know him. He has done the beautiful films Jawani Phir Niyani, and nowadays he also received award for. Adnan Jafar was born on 5th March 1974. And he is Pakistani actor and former anchor, well known for his work in theatre, film and television industries, and nowadays he is performing very well as a professor in drama serial Chalawa. Nowadays he is performing very well as a professor in drama serial Chalawa. Moving toward the next artist is Zara Tareen. Zara Tareen was born on 7th March 1988, Pakistani actor, model, and she is the sister of the Hira Tareen, and she has done a fabulous job in drama serial Mushk. Okay, so next artist is the Zainab Jamil. Zainab Jamil was born on 13th March 1989. She is an actor, and also she is well known for Khabarnak. Shamal Khan was born on 14th March 1978, and he has also received an award for the Viewer's Choice, and he is the film and TV actor, and he appointed as CLF Goodwill Ambassador by the Children Literature Festival on July 30 July 2019, and he also has received the Lux Style Award. Momer Rana was born on 26 February 1974. He is Pakistani film and TV actor, director, and various Bollywood movies, credited soap operas and films and TV shows he has done. Okay, drama artist is Matira. Matira was born on 25th February. Matira was born on 25th February 1992 in Zimbabwe. Matira is a model, actress, dancer, host, singer, and he has appeared in many music videos, item songs, Main Hoon Na Shayad Afridi, and also Punjabi Indian film Young Malangi, and also in Punjabi Indian film. Okay, Simi Rail was born on 26th February 1977, and Simi Rail also has received the award for the Viewer's Choice, and she has done phenomenal role as a mother in drama serial Sabat, and she usually plays very beautiful, soft, sweet mother roles in the different drama. Toward the next artist is Meena Malik. Meena Malik was born on 26 February 1984. She is an host, actress, TV actress, film actress, and she and Veena Malik also has been appeared in the Big Boss Indian very famous Indian program Big Boss. Last but not the least, Muniba Muzari. Muniba Muzari was born on 3rd March 1987. She is a Pakistani activist, artist, singer, and motivational speaker. She became the national ambassador for UN Women Pakistan after being shortlisted in the 100 Inspirational Women of 2015 by BBC. She also made it to the Forbes 30 list for 2016. Okay, so that's it for today's. I hope you have enjoyed the videos, and most of you have known about these personalities, and maybe you also know their zodiac sign. So they all fulfills their they all are same, like as we see them, we can see that they all are the Piscean. They are the true Piscean. They are the artists. They are the hardworking. They are empath. They are very soft. We don't see any we don't find any conspiracy behind their acting career or their singing careers, or in the literature we don't find any conspiracy which they are going to. They never ever had created any conspiracy in their career. They all are clean and crystal clear, and same like they all are empath. They know how to connect. They have actually, the Piscean have the two personality, internal and external, and they love to connect these two personalities, and then they swim like fishes. So okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. I also have enjoyed the video, and that's it for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please also follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page, and like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye. Take care till then. Bye.